to the new series, Cooking with Junior. Yeah, featuring Jolty and Greninja and this weird guy named Kamek.
You mean Cody?
No, that's copyright. Kamek. Yes. So today we are going to make jelly sandwiches. So first, Greninja and Jyoti are going to share one, and I'm just going to eat one all to myself. Okay, so we have our first ingredient here.
Bread. All right, where's the jelly? Where's
Bread.
the jelly?
And then jelly. Oh, there it is. But we're not going to use peanut butter because we're both allergic to peanut butter.
And Jolty too.
Yes, and Greninja.
And Cody.
Yeah, everyone's allergic.
I'm a
And
comedian.
look at this, we're going to cook that later. Okay, we're not actually in this episode. Oh, it's not here, but it's in here.
Dun, 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 dun.
Perfect. And now we are going to open it. And then, yeah, I'm going to open the bread.
I'll do the jelly thing.
Yeah. Okay, this is not working now. So, guys, hello.
Girls are disgusting. Girls are disgusting.
Okay, stop insulting people. Okay, let's point it at these guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright. Now we just need to open the jelly.
Okay, we are going to use the magical powers to open this bread. Okay. Ready? Boom! It's open. Now, we're gonna
I accidentally opened the door and I didn't notice it was raining.
Okay, and now we need another plate.
Give me. Girls are disgusting.
Shut up.
Girls are disgusting. Am I right, guys? Leave
we
a
need
comment.
another bread.
Leave a comment down below if girls suck.
Hold a second, I need to go pee, guys. Talk to them.
Okay, so guys, Bowser Jr. is at the bathroom. I don't know how long he's gonna get out. Anyway, so next, we need some jelly. Better pause this video. Bam. And no, it's not paused.
Okay, guys.
We just need jelly, plate. Next, Bowser Jr.
Oh, Chef Kirby, can you go?
No, you little brats. I'm trying to make food here.
You're not even here. First piece of bread. Use a spoon.
Let me do it.
Okay. This first one is Greninja and Jolte's.
Of course.
Okay. Here's your second slice. Oh, look at that perfect pitch.
Hey, brats, don't make a mess.
Okay.
We're not gonna make a mess. We're not making a mess, Kirby.
Jesus.
And that should almost be enough. But do you know what my secret ingredient for these jelly sandwiches are?
What?
This is a family recipe. Well, I don't technically have a family, but
Well, we do.
it's cinnamon.
What? Cinnamon?
There you go. And then you mix it again. You see, that makes the spice delicious. Like sweet and spice, you know? And everything nice. Skin with powder puffers.
All right.
And then once we do that, we are done with the first sandwich. Actually, just one more spoonful. One more spoonful.
Hey, brats.
Hey, brats, what are you doing?
We're doing a series called Cooking with Junior.
Oh, I want to be part of the next one.
Sure.
Next one, we're doing cheese. Because I'll work right now. Okay, so we got the first sandwich.
Oh.
No, it's not ready yet. We have to put it in the toaster oven. But then what we do with the cinnamon is also do it a little sprinkle. Oh,
That's too much, Junior.
okay, wait, hold a second.
That was too
Okay,
much.
we're better. It's better. You know, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then we just put this right to the side. And then the second one are me. Yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
Junior, what are you doing down there?
I'm making a series.
Okay, just be careful. You could do whatever you want. Don't kill yourself. Actually, that'd be nice if you killed yourself.
That's mean, Dad. Oh, I'm sorry, son. Okay, now it's the time to make the next sandwich.
Junior!
Yes, Dad.
I'm coming over.
You said, yeah, I can make a series, but I have to be careful.
Kill yourself!
You just said don't kill yourself.
No, I didn't.
I just said, kill yourself.
Oh.
I'm gonna go outside now.
No, what are you doing?
I'm going outside!
Okay. In the next episode, we're gonna be making cheese fries.
Beep, beep. It's burning! It's burning!
What's burning?
It's burning. Did I just hear a gunshot? Did I just hear a gunshot? Oh!
Okay.
I think that's too much.
So what you do with that problem is so you go to the sink and then you go do this. Actually, grab your spoon
Yes.
and then gently hit it and kill it.
It's burning, Chef Pee-Pee!
Chef Pee-Pee, Chef Pee-Pee.
It's burning, Chef Kirby!
Are you watching SNL again?
It's burning, Chef Kirby! It's burning, Chef Kirby! It's burning, Chef Kirby!
That's what you do.
You lit Bowser! You just ruined my perfection food!
I don't care about your perfection food.
But it was your food. Oh my god.
Why don't you make me some food?
Dad, but this is my food.
Who cares? Make me a food. And you, Greninja.
Oh, he died. Wait, no he didn't.
Okay, so what do we do?
Okay,
He
so
just-
after this, we're gonna do a prank on my dad.
He just ignored him.
And it better be done in 5 minutes.
This is not even your food. But okay.
Whatever. I don't care about yours.
So what we do with the sandwiches afterward, we go over here to make this little thing, and then we go put 2 sandwiches in there, and then we go toast and start. Okay, we're gonna be back when it's ready. Okay, so here's the prank. So he wants his food done 5 minutes.
I'll give
this
it
is
to
a
him.
fake sandwich.
I'll give it to him.
Okay. I'll be his waiter. You could be his waiter and stuff. Okay. Come on.
Okay. So Bowser, Mr. Bowser,
Yes.
you said you wanted your food done?
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
Well, here's your food.
Oh, yummy. Oh, wah, 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 wah.
Wait a moment.
Hey, this tastes like cotton and wool. Junior!
Yes, Dad.
Did you do this?
No.
Oh, okay. Chef Kirby! Yes? Yes, sir. Did you do this?
I'm gonna do my best impression.
Yes, I did.
You did?
Are you sure? I did it. That was him, though.
I'm serious. That was him.
It was you. I can't notice.
Here, let me do my chef Kirby impression. Yes, I did.
Give me your best one.
I did. Let's make this one.
I did.
Oh, you Get back here, Junior. Get back here. Get back here, Junior.
Okay, let's pause it so we can do the video. And we're back with the sandwiches.
Get back here, Junior.
Oh. Okay, just get over that. Okay. You can have a bite. You can have a bite. I need my inhaler right now. I didn't take my inhaler. Hey, my inhaler's not here. Okay, you know what? That's fine. Just gonna. Okay, we're back with the sandwiches.
Yeah, isn't it me supposed to take the inhaler?
Oh yeah. It's ready.
Okay, so Junior.
Yes, Dad.
Can you come here real quick?
Okay. Was it good?
Yes, it was good. Okay, sit right here. Stay.
Wow. You tried to hurt me, but you just bounced right off.
Okay, so Junior,
Yeah.
I just want to see. So your cooking skills are so bad.
That wasn't real. Wait, can I just say something to you?
What?
That wasn't a real sandwich.
It was a fake sandwich.
Because you were being mean to us.
Yeah. You are so bad. You are
No. Okay, wait. We need to try out the sandwiches. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, Greninja, come over here.
All right.
I'm gonna try the first bite. But first at the table. So then everyone, this is our recipe for sandwiches. Here, if you just want to skip through it, so you put jelly on a sandwich and then you put some cinnamon, yeah, and then you get sort of like the sweet and powdery stuff. Okay, so look at that. Let's try the first bite. That's good. Yours is in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay,
Can I
here
help?
you go. Okay, we're gonna skip until we finish the sandwiches.